Hi everyone, today I'm putting the compressor emblem back on the side of the car. So there's the K, it goes over here, and it spells compressor across here. To do this I'm going to mark it out first with some masking tape, and then I'm going to use some tiger seal to stick them on. I'm not going to use the self-adhesive method that comes with because I don't have those pads. And these are the ones I'm reusing from the original wings. So to start with, I'm just going to mark 17.5 centimeters up from the rubber at the base of the wing. And the reason I'm doing that is because that is where it's measured to be on someone else's car. Whether their car was right, I don't really know. But it looks good. I've done the other side already. I'm going to make this parallel to the rubber trim. I'm not going to use a spirit level. I did it with a spirit level to see what it would look like on the other side, and I think it actually looks better if it's parallel to the rubber strip. The car might be on a slight angle because the suspension varies across the vehicle, so if you were to do it level it might end up on the wonk. So I think this looks better if it's parallel. Anyway, that's the way I'm doing it. You can choose how you do it. The other measurement is 12 centimeters from the wheel arch at this point, and that takes me to here. So that's the vertical edge of the end of compressor. So I'm obviously going to be spelling this backwards. What I'm now going to do is put some long links of tape from the top of this to the top over here. So I get my parallel along there. Let's just double check that is accurate. 17.2, 17, looks like we're running off slightly. Always good to check. Just gonna put a couple of marks to tell me where to go. Put this on again to those marks. There we go. Double check it. 17.5. 17.5, that'll do. Very good. I'm going to put another strip over this. What I'm going to try and do here is create a little ledge for these to sit on when I'm fitting them. That way, when the adhesive is wet, they won't slide down. I'm going to do a third one just to build up the thickness. Nice little ledge for it to sit on there. I've actually spelt this out on the ground with the letters so that I definitely get it right. Bearing in mind I am dyslexic, I don't want to get this wrong. So I'm going to start here with the R, and what I'm going to do is get some tiger seal, and I'm going to put it on the back of this, but I'm going to use a small screwdriver, and I'm going to do this in small amounts so that I get just the right amount for sticking it on. So this is a very careful process because tiger seal is messy stuff. So we've got some on here. And I'm just going to put it onto the R in the biggest places. And that means that when I push this onto the car, it can spread out behind there, but it won't come out the sides of the letter. And that's very important because it would look a mess, and we don't want that. So there we go, a little bit more. It's a fiddly job. It's easier if you've got the adhesive that comes with them. Obviously you can buy a new set of these if you want to, and they would come with the adhesive, and there's a template that I think Mercedes used to line these up. I don't know that that comes with the new letters. Perhaps it does. That would be useful, wouldn't it? So there we go, got this ready to go. I'm then going to take this letter, hold it where there's no tiger seal. Ooh. Place it onto the bottom. I can't go right at the end on the base because it's leaning forward, this letter. And that is it. I'm going to carry on doing that for all the rest of them, writing compressor backwards. Now you might be thinking, how did I know the spacing was that spacing? Well, the answer is I didn't. I just put it approximately 3mm between them. And as you'll see, as I do them all, actually it looks okay. So, a bit of artistic license here. The finished article looks a bit like that, which I think looks pretty cool. Let's just wait and see if it's wait for it to dry, and then we'll peel it off. So here is the finished product. This is the side that I did earlier. I've just taken the tape off it because I know it's dried, and yeah, as you can see, it's kind of spaced evenly. It's on a straight line. It looks as it should. Next thing to do is to give it all a polish and then wax it, and it'll all shine and look even lovelier. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Yeah, if you're going to give it a go, then good luck. Cheers.